In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text-to-speech voiceover in InVideo. By the end, you'll be able to turn your script into a clean, natural-sounding voiceover right inside your project without leaving the editor. First, log into InVideo using your usual credentials. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're on a stable internet connection and using a modern browser so audio generation runs smoothly. Once you're in, select the project you want to work on. Open it so you can see the preview window and timeline. This is where the voiceover will be placed after it's generated. Now look beneath the preview window for the voiceover option. Click on voiceover to open the voice tools. This panel is where you'll create and manage your narration, all without switching tabs. Inside the voiceover panel, choose text to speech. This is the option that converts your typed script into audio automatically, making it easy to update or revise your narration as the edit evolves. Enter your voiceover text into the text field. You can type or paste it in. Write the way you want it to sound. Use punctuation to control pauses, keep sentences concise, and spell out numbers or acronyms if pronunciation matters. If a line feels too long, break it into 2 sentences for a more natural rhythm. Clear text makes for clear audio. Next, select the type of voice engine, realistic or legacy. Realistic uses more advanced speech synthesis to deliver a smoother, more human tone with better inflection. Legacy is the classic option that can render faster and might suit simple drafts or quick placeholders. If you're aiming for the most natural narration, start with realistic. Choose the language that matches your script. Make sure the text and language selection align to avoid mispronunciations. If your project includes a few words from another language, consider adjusting the phrasing so the primary language still sounds natural. Now select the voice, browse the available options, and pick a style that fits your content. Calm and friendly for explainers, energetic for promos, or neutral for tutorials. Think about clarity and tone, and imagine how it will blend with your background music. When you're ready, click Generate Voiceover. InVideo will process your text and place the audio in your project. Press play to preview. If something doesn't sound quite right, tweak the text, adjust the type, language, or voice, and generate again until it fits your video perfectly. And that's it. Your text-to-speech voiceover is ready inside InVideo.